Methods before you begin. Once you take the action, the fear disappears. Thank you.
Good morning, Vivek Mahara, teachers and other brothers. I am doing my book of class 8, second year, number 35, and today I'm going to serve the speech on Triunda, the AI powered basketball of FIFA World Cup 2026. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is not only the world's biggest football tournament, but also a remarkable example of how modern technology is transforming sports. The official mascot of the tournament is called Triunda, and it is inspired by three most host countries, Canada, Mexico, and USA, designed by Adidas and manufactured in Sarkot, Pakistan. Triunda is more than just a football. Its vibrant red color represents Canada, the red represents Mexico, and the blue represents USA. It features an advanced sensor chip that monitors the ball's movement 500 times every second. The sensor works together with artificial intelligence and network of surveillance cameras to provide accurate real-time data during matches. The system can identify the exact moment the ball is touched and precisely track the positions of both the football and players on the field. This helps referees make faster and more accurate decisions, especially in offside situations. As a result, human errors reduced and fair play is promoted. The FIFA World Cup 2026 demonstrates how AI is making football more accurate, fair, and exciting. It reminds us that innovation is shaping the future of sports, education, science, and many other fields. As students, we should remain curious about new technologies and their applications so that we can become innovators and the problem-solving peoples of tomorrow. Thank you.